Want to know what actually sold out during Prime Day? Not what brands wanted to sell, but what real buyers grabbed first? This video is for you. These 5 machines dominated Amazon, and I'm ranking them honestly, from the decent pick to the one that genuinely stands above the rest. Starting at number 5, the Janome HD-3000 Heavy Duty. This machine sold out because people are tired of plastic junk that dies in 2 years. The HD-3000 is all metal inside, cast aluminum body, solid gears, no flimsy nonsense. It handles denim, canvas, and layered quilts without complaining. The motor's strong but not fast, topping out around 860 stitches per minute. That's actually fine. Speed without control is useless. Stitch quality is consistently excellent. It only has 18 built-in stitches, which feels limiting if you want decorative options, but covers every essential. Setup is straightforward, though not what I'd call beginner-friendly. There's no automatic needle threader, and the manual's a bit dated. It's quiet, barely vibrates, and runs cool for hours. Maintenance is minimal. Just oil it occasionally and keep it clean. Included accessories are basic but functional. The real complaint, it's heavy at almost 20 pounds, and the price jumped post-Prime Day. For pure construction sewing, it's unbeatable. But if you need versatility or portability, keep watching. At number 4, the Brothers CS7000X, the machine that somehow became the default recommendation for beginners, and honestly, it earned that status. It sold out because it's the safest bet under $250. 70 built-in stitches, automatic needle threader, drop-in bobbin, speed control slider, everything a nervous beginner wants. The stitch quality is surprisingly good for the price, though not as consistent as pricier machines. Motor handles light to medium fabrics beautifully. Heavy denim pushes it. It's lightweight, portable, and quiet enough for apartment sewing. The LCD screen is small but functional. Long sessions? It gets warm after 3 hours, so give it breaks. Maintenance is easy. Clean the bobbin area, that's most of it. Accessories include a decent selection of feet and a wide table. Common complaints? The plastic body feels cheap. The light is dim, and tension issues pop up with synthetic fabrics. Long-term value is solid for casual sewers, but serious users outgrow it. The CS7000X is perfect if you're unsure about sewing as a hobby. Already committed? You'll want more machine. That's where our next picks come in. Number 3, the Singer Heavy-Duty 6800C. Singer finally remembered how to build a machine that doesn't disappoint. This one flew off shelves because it bridges the gap between budget and serious sewing. 200 built-in stitches, including decent decorative options, and a motor that genuinely handles heavy fabrics. Speed hits 1,100 stitches per minute, but the control is there. You're not just holding on for dear life. Stitch quality is excellent across cotton, denim, and light leather. The metal frame cuts vibrations significantly compared to cheaper Singers. Setup is intuitive. The automatic threader actually works, which is rare in this range. Beginners can grow into it, though the speed might intimidate at first. It's heavier than the Brother, but lighter than the Janome. Noise is moderate, noticeable but not annoying. Long sessions are comfortable. The motor doesn't overheat easily. Maintenance is standard. Keep it clean, oil occasionally. Included accessories are generous: extra feet, needles, even a quilting guide. Complaints? The bobbin winder can be finicky, and the decorative stitches aren't as refined as Brothers equivalents. Price to performance is strong. If you want one machine for everything, from clothes to home decor, this is your sweet spot. Pure quilters or embroidery enthusiasts should look higher on this list. Number 2, the Juki HZL-F300. This is where we enter buy-it-for-life territory. And it's sold out because experienced sewers know exactly what Juki represents. Industrial-grade reliability in a home package. The box feed system is the standout feature. Fabric feeds evenly in all directions, eliminating that annoying shifting you get with standard drop feed machines. Stitch quality is flawless. 100 built-in stitches, but they're the right stitches. Utility, overcast, decorative, plus fonts. The motor is powerful and smooth, handling everything from chiffon to heavy canvas without tension drama. Speed reaches 900 stitches per minute, but precision matters more than raw speed here. Setup is logical, not the simplest for absolute beginners, but the manual is excellent. It's quiet, virtually vibration-free, and runs indefinitely without overheating. Maintenance is minimal thanks to the enclosed design. Accessories are comprehensive. The downside? Price. Post-Prime Day, it's a serious investment. Also, it's not lightweight, and decorative stitch variety lags behind brother. But for garment construction, quilting, and anything requiring absolute accuracy, the F300 is unmatched. If you sew regularly and want a machine that disappears into your workflow, never fighting you, never failing, this is it. The only reason it's not #1, our top pick does almost everything that Juki does, plus embroidery without the price jump. And #1, the Brother SE2000 sewing and embroidery machine. The machine that shouldn't make sense at this price, yet somehow does. It's sold out because it's the only sub-$1,000 option that genuinely does both sewing and embroidery without embarrassing itself at either. As a sewing machine, it's excellent. 241 stitches, strong motor, consistent tension, good speed control. As an embroidery machine, it's remarkable for the price. 5x7-inch hoop, decent built-in designs, USB import for custom patterns. The stitch quality rivals machines costing twice as much. Setup is surprisingly straightforward. Brother's interface design shines here. Beginners won't be overwhelmed, but there's enough depth for experienced users. It handles light to medium-heavy fabrics well. Thick denim and multiple layers of canvas are its limit. Noise and vibration are well controlled. Long sessions are comfortable with occasional breaks. Maintenance is simple. Keep the bobbin area clean, use quality thread. Included accessories cover sewing and embroidery basics. Complaints? The embroidery area is modest, hoop changes take practice, and the plastic body doesn't feel as premium as the Juki. But here's the reality. For most home sewers, this is the only machine you'll ever need. It eliminates the "should I get a separate embroidery machine" dilemma entirely. The SE2000 isn't perfect, but it's perfectly positioned. Serious production embroiderers need commercial equipment. Everyone else? This is your answer.